Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these super cute jaded braids using the Bobbi Boss pre-stretched 28-inch body wave hair. Keep on watching. So I am doing the rubber band crochet method, and I have put my hair into ponytails, braided my hair. As you can see, my hair is colored red. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it up above. This hair is the color 1B, so I am hiding my hair underneath the braided hair, and then I am just braiding it down. Again, I did crochet the hair horizontally underneath the rubber band, and then tucking my hair away and then braiding down. I braided right underneath my hair for some of the braids, and then for the other braids, I braided a little bit down, about 1/3 of the way, and then I did the bubble braids. So I added the rubber bands about 2 inches apart to create the bubble braids. This jaded braid look is absolutely phenomenal. I absolutely love it. I tried it with the short hair that I got from Toyo Trust a few months ago. I'll link that video up above as well if you missed it. But I'm absolutely obsessed with this style, and this body wave hair is everything. I cannot wait to try more styles with this hair. So I'm not going to do much talking in this video because it is pretty much self-explanatory, and it's probably easier to watch it than for me to try to describe it. So enjoy, and I will show you the final results at the end. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.